We thank our Zimbabwean customer for purchasing EA960R4 commercial LED display billboard. This commercial LED display features a robust and durable magnesium alloy cabinet, making it ideal for indoor and outdoor fixed installations and rental applications. EA960R4 commercial LED display billboard has a compact structure with a retractable rear cover that allows for quick and easy maintenance. When used outdoors, the rear cover can be closed for added protection. Even with the rear cover closed, heat dissipation is not a concern, as two wing-shaped fans are installed on the cover for rapid cooling. Power and signal cable ports are pre-drilled on the side of the cabinet, simplifying cabling management.